9th class student, exercise 7a, exponents, question number 3. 3 is evaluate first part is 1/4 under root plus 0.01 has power minus 1/2 minus 27 has power 2/3. Remove the square root. Square root of 1/4 is equal to 1/2. Remove the point 0.01. To remove the point, power it is same. 1/100. 3 into 3 into 3 power 2/3. 1/2 it is same plus power is minus. तो make the 100 reach the numerator. Power will be change of the sign. 3 power 3 power it is same. Make the 1/2 it is same. Factor is 2 into 2 5 into 5 power 1/2 minus 3 power reach the outside the bracket. Make the 3 into 2/3 3 divided by 3 minus 3 has power 2. Here the 10 square into 1/2 1/2 plus 2 divided by 2 1/2 plus 10 minus 3 square is 9. After remove the bracket 1/2 plus 10 minus 9 is equal to 1/2 plus 1. You write the 3/2 for 1 whole 1/2. First part is complete. Second part is Second part is second part is 27/8 has power 27/8 has power 2/3 minus 1/4 has power minus 2 plus 5 has power 0. Do the factor 3 into 3 into 3 upon 2 into 2 into 2. Power it is same. Minus power is minus 2. 4. Do the reciprocal. Power will be plus. Which power is 0 is value 1. 3/2. 3 power comes out the bracket. 4 square is 4 into 4 plus 1. 3 divided by 3. 3 upon 2 has power 2 minus 16 plus 1. After 3 3 ja 9, 2 2 ja 4, plus n minus minus 15. Write upon 1, take the LCM. 9 minus 60 is equal to minus 51 upon 4. Second part is complete. Question 4. Question 4 is simplify and with positive index. Simplify and positive index. Power, you write the positive form. First part is 3 as power minus 4 and 2 as power minus 8. Bracket close, 1 upon 4. That is question. 2 power is 3 minus 1 into 1 into minus 4 upon 2 minus 8, right? 2 into minus 4. 1 upon 4 it is same. 4 raised the outside the 3 upon 2 square minus 4 into 1 upon 4. 4 divided by 4. 3 upon 2 2 ja 4. Power plus minus is 1. Power as minus, change into the plus, do the reciprocal. 4 upon 3, write in mixed form. Question 4, first part is complete. Second part is (27) has power minus 3 and 9 has power minus 3. 1 upon 5 is common. Power minus 3 is right the outside the minus 3 into 1 upon 5. 9 3 ja 27. 3 has power 3 1 ja 3 upon 5. We write the positive form. 3 power 3 upon 5. Second part is complete. Third part is 22 has power 32 has power minus 2 upon 5. Divide 125 has power minus 2 upon 3. Do the factor 2 into 2 into 2 5 times minus 2 upon 5, it is same, divide is same, 5 into 5 into 5, 2 upon 3. Power is 5, raise the 5 into 2 upon 5, divide 1, 5 has power 3, raise the outside, 3 divided by 3, 5 divided by 5, 2 has power minus 2, divide 5 has minus 2. So you write the 2 upon 5, power is same, change into plus form, do the reciprocal, 5 upon 2 into 5 upon 2, after multiply 25 upon 4. You write the 6 whole 1 upon 4. Third part is complete. Fourth part is big bracket 1 minus middle bracket 1 minus small bracket 1 minus n bracket small bracket close has power minus 1, middle bracket close has power minus 1, and big bracket is closed has power minus 1. Remove the small power, minus 1, middle bracket 1 minus, you write the 1 upon 1 minus n. Middle bracket close has power minus, big bracket close has power minus 1. Remove the small bracket, after small bracket 1 minus 1 upon 1, 1 upon 1 minus n, middle bracket close has power minus 1, power is minus 1. To take the LCM, 1 minus in middle bracket, LCM is 1 minus n, middle bracket close has power minus 1 and big minus 1. Divide by 1 minus n minus 1, 1 divided by 1 cut by plus 1, after is 1 minus middle bracket minus n upon 1 minus n, it is same as LCM. Middle bracket close, minus has power and big has power is minus 1. Remove the minus power, big bracket 1 minus minus 1 upon, do the reciprocal, middle bracket close, minus power has big bracket. Remove the small middle bracket, 1 plus minus minus plus 1 minus n upon n, middle bracket, big bracket close, has power 1. To take the LCM of the big bracket, n is LCM, has power minus 1, n minus 1 minus n, minus minus plus, is n by n, 1 upon n, has power minus 1, minus power change, do the reciprocal, is n. Question number 4 is complete. Thank you.